Here are 6 underrated Canva elements you should definitely try. First, line art phase. Minimalist and abstract, these phases add a modern artistic vibe to any design. Number 2, paper turn edge. Perfect for collage or mood boards. This realistic paper effect adds texture and depth. Number 3, half-tone gradient. Bring in that retro comic book feel with dotted gradients that make your designs pop. Number 4, neon squiggle. Add energy with bold, glowing squiggles ideal for music events or party themes. Number 5, abstract blob gradient. Fluid and colorful. These shapes are great for tech, branding, or anything modern. Number 6, cartoon speech bubble. Fun and playful, these bubbles are perfect for captions, memes, or comic style posts. Want more Canva tips and hacks? Be sure to follow my page. See you in my next video. Bye!